Hello guys, yeah, welcome back to this channel, Brain Tech. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Hit your button on the notification button to stay updated. I will be showing you how you can get an account with Threads by Instagram, a new Twitter rival that was recently created by Instagram. So all you have to do is to add to your store. Like mine, I'll be using the Google Play Store. Since this is an Android phone, all you have to do is locate your Play Store in order to download Threads by Instagram. So head to your search button, type Threads, Instagram, and then you search. This is the app. After it might have come up like this, you click on install. After the installation, you register. Make sure you use an email address for the registration in order to get a secure account. If you don't have an email address, do well to use your phone number, or as well as to create an email address. It's very simple to create an email address. After creating your email address, you can now add to your Threads by Instagram to create your account. After creating your account, upload your photo. Try as much as you can to read the terms and conditions of this platform in order not to get suspended. So let me show you some photos of how this platform looks like. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. As you can see, it has a touch of Instagram and a touch of Twitter. These are more photos from Threads by Instagram. As I told you earlier, this platform is owned by Meta, which is the parent company of Facebook and Instagram. So as it was announced weeks ago, it is solely developed by the Instagram team in order to compete with a popular microblogging platform, Twitter. These are more photos from the platform. As you can see here, more features will be unveiled in the app as time goes on. But for now, these are some of the features that are being displayed all thanks to these photos. These are other features which you can tap in after creating your account. These are all the photos. As you can see from this Play Store, it has 743 reviews so far, with an average uh, rating of 4.5. The size of this app is just 72 megabytes. So far, it has been downloaded 5 million plus times. So that means in few weeks, Instagram have recorded such a huge success. So after downloading, you can choose to give ratings to this app if only you are satisfied with its features. You can now rate the app. If you have any question, do well to drop it in the comments section of this video. Like this video, share it with your friends. In our nearest future, we will be able to drop an update from Threads by Instagram. Enjoy your new Threads by Instagram account and stay put for more of our updates by subscribing to this channel. We have other interesting videos in this channel. All you have to do is to search and browse on this channel, and we are sure you will never regret browsing on our channels. Like this video and do well to subscribe. Enjoy your Threads by Instagram account. See you in the next video.